language is saying, I don't know about this. This is worrisome, right? And this is very typical for dogs. You know, she's looking at them now. Shave where, girl? I've got to shave it, Sophia. So, just, you know, the body language you're seeing as opposed to Shiner, who was like in. She's saying, or he's saying, I'm not sure I want to be here, you know? He's looking at them, he's looking away. Kind of looking at them, looking away. And notice the sheep? They're really looking at him, saying, we're going to suss this guy out, you know?
They can judge as much as the dog judges.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, not as much respect. They're sort of going, yeah, we're going to push this one's button.
Yeah.
He's releasing. See how he's turned his head off? To the sheep, that's a sign of submission, right? It's a bit of a sign of a little hesitation. So they're not as worried about him. And they're thinking, might be able to bully this one. Especially sheep that are used to dogs. Like these sheep see a lot of dogs.
Right,
And so
right.
they read them up.
They
pretty
know
quick.
the scoop.
And they'll know whether this is something to be worried about or something to be relaxed about. So already they're not as on high alert. They're saying, I don't think he's going to come after us. So they're relaxing. So sheep can assess a dog very quickly, and you know, that's part of it. So just walk him around the outside. And if possible, yes, keep you between the dog and the sheep. Come on, Jake. Come on, boy. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Ah, boy.
Now, would you work with less sheep if you have a dog that's a little nervous about this, or the number doesn't matter?
No, it really doesn't matter to the dog. And sheep get too stressed, they get real flighty if they're in small groups.
Oh, now he showed a bit of interest when the sheep moved.
So whenever he looks at the sheep or shows interest, you say, good boy. You know, you reward him. Sheep, where's your sheep? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, sheep. Good boy.
Yeah, look at how quickly.
So with the coming in, lie down. His confidence with him coming in like that, not being confident, lack of confidence.
He doesn't know that he can move them. He's chasing right now. It's kind of a game thing for him. He thinks if he, you know, they're running, he's going to chase them. Okay? And so it's more a chase thing rather than a walking behavior right now. So that, you know, you work on that, right? He needs to learn that he can move them with his eye and his presence and not because he's chasing them. And a dog